there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how I prepare promos for one of the programs that I'm affiliated with, which is basically a lead generation mastery system. It's an attraction marketing system that helps you generate leads online. And I've had people ask me, well, because I have a primary program. My primary program is a software that is an all-in-one digital marketing platform, and it's called BUILDERALL. And some people ask, well, how do you make money outside of the BUILDERALL affiliate program? Because people tend to think that because you're an affiliate for BUILDERALL, that the only way you make money with BUILDERALL is by actually promoting the affiliate program. But I was like, well, you know, I'm about to go into my BUILDERALL back office. I'm about to set up a promo for something else that I'm doing. And I'm like, you know what? Let me give you a behind the scenes sneak peek look at how I prepare a quick little promo for this attraction marketing system. That's what I'm happen to be promoting with what I'm about to do, and how I use the BUILDERALL tools to do it. So with that being said, if you want to see a behind the scenes look of me setting up a promo using BUILDERALL tools for something that has nothing to do with BUILDERALL, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so I'm going to go directly into my BUILDERALL back office. I'm about to do a promo for our Wednesday webinars being held by My Lead System Pro. And if you don't know what My Lead System Pro is, it is an attraction marketing system where they teach you all about marketing and lead generation and how to position yourself as the person that people want to buy from. So it doesn't compete with my primary program. There's some things that overlap, like they do have some internet marketing tools, but you know, BUILDERALL is my home, and that's the tool that I use, and I love it. And I use their tools to not only obviously leverage their leverage affiliate program, but I also use their tools for my promotions, for me promoting different things, to build funnels, stuff like that. Okay, so today I just happened to be preparing a promo for the MLSP webinar on Wednesday. And if you don't, you know, if you're not up to par with your lead generation, you need to up your lead generation skills. I highly recommend that you go ahead and sign up for their weekly webinars. They're absolutely free. I mean, you can just hang out and go there every week and just absorb their training, you know, and then you can use their system if you want to generate leads. But I just want to show you how I prep my promos for My Lead System Pro using BUILDERALL, right? And so you can take this exact same concept of what I'm doing, and you can use BUILDERALL's tools to promote your network marketing company, to promote your coaching webinar event, etc., etc. Okay, so with that being said, I am going to go into BUILDERALL, and I am going to go into the video wrapper tool, right? So here's my back office, and I have it custom tailored to the things that I use the most. And you can custom tailor your BUILDERALL back office to whatever you're going to use the most. So I'm going to use a video wrapper tool today because I'm going to get this promo ready. Now, I've already created my promo graphic, and I'll be uploading that in just a second. So I'm going to call this MLSP Wednesday Webinar 8. Today's the 28th, 2019. Okay, so I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the little pencil so that I can go ahead and edit it. So I'm going to keep it at 1000 by 1000, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and upload the video for it. So let's go ahead and choose the video. Let me go to desktop, and here's my webinar invitation. Now, in order to use the video wrapper tool, I highly recommend that you only upload like a 1.5 to 2 minute video. That way it renders faster. And honestly, to do a promo, you don't need this long drawn out video. So I'm going to go ahead, let this render, and I will be right back. Okay, this is almost done rendering, and what I did was I uploaded an MP4. I edited it in iMovie at first, and then I saved it as an MP4, and now I am uploading it to the Builderall video wrapper tool, and it's currently encoding. And so then what I'm going to do is I am going to create a layer, right, where I am going to add a background. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, let me go ahead and save this first. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in an object. So I'm going to click add image, and I'm going to add a wrapper that I designed earlier today. So let me go ahead and put that in here. All right, and then I'm just going to make this bigger. Okay, and let me extend this out a little bit, stretch this out. And then I am going to I'm going to open the video a bit more so that it's within the bars. And so you can kind of play with this to accommodate it. Okay. And let me see. Let me open this just a little bit more because I want it to be where the bars are. Okay. And now we're good. Let me just open this up just a little bit more. Okay, so now it fits perfectly. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on save. And now I'm going to go ahead and encode the video so it saves it. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to see the final result. So let me go ahead and let that do its thing, and I'll be right back. Okie dokie, now it's ready, and let's check it out. Guys, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and I have a question for you. Are you an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, or maybe even a coach trying to create your own products so that you can start making more sales online? And maybe you're struggling to make more sales. So that's it. And it looks beautiful. I love it. So all I got to do now is download it, and you'll see that it's like a little square so that it's perfect for your Facebook feed. Okay, so then I'm just going to download this MLSP promo, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And I do notice that I'm going to probably redo a version of this because since this is a square, and iMovie kind of does like a rectangle, my name is not going to look good there, so I'm going to probably put it towards the middle. So I'm going to fix that, but that's an iMovie thing. That's me. So yeah, it looks really great. Let me go ahead and open the full size for you so you can check it out. So this is the final version. Looks good, right? I have a question for you. Are you an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, or maybe even a coach trying to create your own products? So that's just one of the things that I can do in Builderall. I have access to so many more tools. I've got a funnel builder, a website builder, a social proof tool, all these awesome tools all in one place that help me create promotions, that help me create leverage, that help me get my products and services out there, all for one low price. So if you're spending way more money a month than you are making, and you're looking for a cost-effective marketing tool, an all-in-one digital marketing platform, if you will, and you are not married to anything right now and you want to give Builderall a shot, I'm going to invite you to go ahead and click on the link right below this video, or just go to the link on your screen right now and check out Builderall. And I've got a bunch of training inside of my team training site. If you go ahead and end up signing up on the business plan after your 7-day free trial, you'll get access to a bunch of marketing training that I provide to my team. And then you can come in here and use our tools to promote whatever it is that you want. And as you get results, guess what? You can become an affiliate like me and make commissions with their leverage affiliate program. And yeah, just start creating this multiple stream of income empire. Hey there, guys. So I just want to do a quick little update, a little case study, if you will, with the promo video that I just showed you how to create with the Builderall tools. I put it on my Facebook timeline. That's basically all that I did, with a call to action to go check out the webinar. And I generated 10 leads and 2 MLSP trial signups, and I also made a sale. So guys, if you're not out there promoting, go out there and use the Builderall tools to promote your webinars, your affiliate programs. Put this stuff on your Facebook timeline. You will be surprised at the results you get. All right, guys and gals, I just wanted to give you that quick behind the scenes look at how I set up a promo for some of the things that I'm working on using the very tools with my primary program. So check it out, guys and gals. I invite you to go ahead and activate a 7-day free trial. If you want to check it out, you can start creating promos. If your company has a webinar or a presentation or any of that good stuff, come in here, do a quick little video, and I'll link a video that I did a few months back on how to create that really cool video wrapper graphic using Canva. I'll go ahead and throw that in there for you on the end screens, or look below in my description box, and I'll walk you through the process of doing that. Then you come in, do that 2-minute video, put it in that video wrapper tool on Builderall, and then go ahead and post it to Facebook and start generating leads for your offers. So hopefully this helped you. Hopefully this gave you a bird's eye view, a behind the scenes look of how I prepare my own promos using Builderall. So if it helped, please go ahead and like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the behind the scenes look of some of my promotions that I do online. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.